pretending he is beside me. All alone, I walk with him till morning. Without him, I feel his arms around me, and when I lose my way, I close my eyes, and he has found me. In the rain, the pavement shines like silver. All the lights are misty in the river. In the darkness, the trees are full of starlight, and all I see is him and me forever and forever. And I know it's only in my mind that I'm talking to myself, not to him. And although I know that he is blind, still I say, there's a way for us. I love him, but when the night is over, he is gone. The river's just a river. Without him, the world around me changes. The trees are barren everywhere, the streets are full of strangers. I love him, but every day I'm living. All my life I've only been pretending. Without him, his world will go on turning. A world that's full of happiness that I have never known. I love him. I love him. I love him. But only on my own.
Hey, well done, Ridian. Well done, buddy. Louise, what did you think of Ridian's performance?
Ridian, do you know what I loved about that performance? I gave you the theme of gender flip, and so obviously you as a male singer had to do a female song, and I love the fact you took it that step further and actually came to us as a female, and you make a lovely woman, I've got to say. But the vocal was really lovely. The timing was a bit off again, but I know you struggle with timing, so again, just really make sure you're listening to the original track over and over and over and getting used to where those words come along with the music, because that is so important. It wasn't completely off and off-putting, but there were times where the timing was quite off. But I loved that you brought the comedy this week, and I think, you know, you've obviously done in the past, you did the puppet, which was also comical, so I love that you can, you know, turn your head to that, and I really enjoyed all the comedy sections of it, and I think going forward though, I would like to see you again now do another kind of serious, not necessarily, you know, dead serious, but just something not as comical, and really show us what else you can do with your voice. But I thought it was a brilliant performance, so well done.
Kelly?
Yeah, I absolutely loved the vision that you had for this performance. It was just a cracking piece of comedy. It was really sort of entertaining, it was funny, but it didn't sort of like deter from the vocal either. The vocal still sort of shone out, which was like, I've got to commend you for getting the right balance there with both. I thought it was, you know, the best vocal I've heard from you so far, because it was very controlled. Even though you had a lot going on, I think you really handled it well this week and really dealt with it really well. You put so much personality into it. It was really creative, and I think we got to see a little bit of who you are from this performance. It gave us a little bit of insight. So it was fantastic, and I think you look absolutely amazing in a wig. So fair play, well done, lovely.
Yeah, Ridian, I mean, I got to start with saying that this is a competition, and I think the whole point for all of the contestants to come in is to keep us occupied and keep us entertained. And what I love about what you're doing so far is that you are showing us very different sides to you, not just as a singer, but as a person. And what that's doing is keeping us intrigued. So first of all, I think you're playing this competition really well. But nevertheless, I wouldn't want you to think you just need to do this throughout. I want you to make sure that you keep showing us different parts of who you are as an artist and explore and try different things. And again, like next time I would love to you go back to a bit more seriousness vocally and show off that massive range that I know is behind what you've got. So yeah, just keep doing what you're doing. This was absolutely brilliant to watch, very entertaining, and yeah, just keep doing what you're doing. Well done.